Hi friends, this is Jayashree Venkatachalam. After a gap, again we are meeting. Today I am going to discuss one of the very significant topics in macroeconomics, the working of Keynesian multiplier. Yes, the original concept of multiplier was developed by R.F. Khan. Please remember, he has developed the concept of employment multiplier. But John Maynard Keynes has developed investment multiplier. So do not get confused between employment multiplier and investment multiplier. In economics, multiplier is denoted by K. Multiplier refers to small change in investment leads to greater change in income. How this phenomenon will happen, that's what I am going to explain in the coming slides. So K is equivalent to small change in investment which is leading to greater change in income. Therefore, change in income is equivalent to K into delta I. Here, regarding the working of multiplier, the very first point is multiplier is depending upon MPC. We know that MPC is nothing but marginal propensity to consume, that is MPC. So economics, one of the very fundamental concept is Y is equivalent to MPC plus MPS. That means when the income changes, either I will spend or I will save. Therefore, MPC is equivalent to 1 minus MPS. It means whatever I am not consuming, that I will be saving. Otherwise, whatever I am not saving, that I will be consuming. Now, another very important concept is K is equivalent to 1 by 1 upon MPC. That means the concept of multiplier is directly depending upon marginal propensity to consume. When MPC is high, multiplier is also high and vice versa. Naturally, when MPS is high, multiplier is low. So there is a direct relationship between MPC and multiplier. There is an opposite relationship between or an inverse relationship between MPS and K. Yes, students, to explain the concept of multiplier, first you try to understand economy is in Great Depression. As all of you to understand, Keynes has developed this employment multiplier in the background of 1930 Great Depression. So when there is Great Depression, naturally no private investment is ready for investment. So here Keynes gives the most beautiful answer to fight depression. Government comes out with investment. Government increases their investment. Let us assume 10 crore. Government will never give money directly in the hands of the people. What does the government will do? Government will provide employment to the people. So when government provide employment in the form of construction or in the form of any other government work, automatically employment increases. When employment increases, children, what will happen? Income will increase. When income increases, what will happen? Demand will increase. Demand increases means marginal propensity to consume will increase. When demand increases, naturally production will increase. Now comes the main point. When production increases, investment increases. Look here. But this investment is done by the private. Please remember, this investment is done by the private. So when private increases the investment, automatically employment increases, okay, income increases, demand increases, production increases, again investment increases, that is done by the private, and the flow continues. And slowly and steadily economy comes out of depression. But the $1 million question arises, who has helped to take economy out of depression, children? It is nobody else but the government. It is nobody else but the government. Now the same thing is explained here. Economy is in depression. Government starts the investment. This creates employment. Then income increases. When income increases, demand increases. Okay, production increases. Then comes private investment. Slowly and steadily, by 1936, American economy came out of depression. Till today, US did not go back to that serious depression. Even during this COVID period, though US has suffered badly, it did not fall into Great Depression. And that is how Keynes has become world famous. He has introduced the three-sector model, that is C plus I plus G. C stands for consumption, I stands for investment, and G stands for government. Yes, children, we will do a small sum, arithmetic sum. When the change in investment, how does the income increases by multiples? So delta I is 20 crore. It is given here. And MPC is 0.5. That is also given in the sum. 0.5 is nothing but half. And we have to calculate delta Y. That is, when the investment changes, how much income will change? The formula you are remembering, K into delta I. Now, we should know what is K. That also I taught you. K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. Okay. Now, how we will calculate? K is equal to 1 by 1 minus 5 by 10. That is 0.5. 5 by 10 is nothing but 0.5. So that is equivalent to 1 by 1 by 1 by 5 by 10. Therefore, K is equal to the rule of inversion. 10 by 5, that is equivalent to 2. So K is equivalent to 2, children. When K is equivalent to 2, how much the income changes? K into delta I. That is 2 into 10 crore. Now, investment was 20 crore. 2 into 20 crore. So, it is 40 crore. Yes, so we are continuing with our example. Here the same example, you just see that initial investment is same, but look here, MPC is different. When MPC is different, automatically multiplier changes. See, delta I is 20 crore, MPC is 0.4. The same 0.4 I am putting as 4 by 10 for the sake of calculation. Therefore, first we will calculate K. What is the formula? 1 by 1 minus MPC. So 1 by 1 minus MPC means 1 by 4 by 1 by 1 minus 4 by 10. That is 1 by 6 by 10. That is simple. So the inversion, law of inversion, 10 goes up. 10 by 6. Therefore, K is equal to 1.66. Look here. K is equal to 1.66. Therefore, how much income increases? 20 into 1.66. That is, income increases by 33.2 crore. In the earlier example, you have seen income has increased by 40 crore. What was the reason, children? That case, ma'am, our multiplier was, MPC was more. MPC was 0.5. Here MPC is less. So what does it show? Lower the MPC, lower will be the multiplier. Higher the MPC, higher will be the multiplier. Look, this is the diagrammatic representation of multiplier. Diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation is very important. Let me just complete, children. How do we draw diagram? Draw the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis I will be showing income. Y-axis I will be showing investment. What is my purpose? When investment changes by small amount, income will increase in large quantity. That is what I am going to draw. So children, first I will be drawing 45-degree line. 45-degree line is exactly in the middle. This is the 45-degree line. This is known as income unity line. What do you mean by that? Income is divided into either consumption or savings. Okay, I am using different color to make you understand the concept clearly. This is I, that is I stands for investment. This is the normal equilibrium, and OY, this is O. OY is the initial level of income. Now we are going to explain the multiplier. So what is happening? Government investment increases. Look here. This is delta I. Government investment is increasing. Okay. So when government investment is increasing, look here. This line. I'll just rub this. Yes. So income, you can see here, income has increased to Y1. So what I am trying to explain, change in income is denoted by delta Y. This is delta I. So as per the multiplier, when investment changes, what will happen, children? Income changes in multiples. That means delta Y is greater than delta I. So the gap very clearly shows change in income is more than change in investment. I hope the concept of multiplier is very clear to you. With the help of multiplier, Keynes has very beautifully explained and shown to the American economy how it can come out of depression. And the main role in multiplier is played by government, and that investment is known as autonomous investment. Children, I am sure that you will subscribe to my channel, and so that you will be getting all the important concepts and theories of economics. If you are very particular about any topic, you can put it in the comment box. Okay children, bye.